Good day, wonderful learners! Welcome to our channel. In English, some verbs are followed by an object and then a to infinitive. This structure shows that someone causes or wants someone else to do something. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use verbs and objects to make sentences correctly. Stay with me until the end of this video to learn about it. Let's get started. Let's start with sentences to show how we can implement this grammar in real situations. For example, Helen needs help with her home tasks. She needs my help. The to infinitive helps her express the action she wants me to do. She might ask, I would like you to help me. John has to give a presentation in class, but he's very nervous. He asks his teacher for help. The to infinitive helps him express the action he wants his teacher to help with. He might say, I want you to give me some lessons. Can you teach me to speak more confidently? These sentences show how John uses verbs like want and teach, followed by an object, you, and a to infinitive, to give, to speak, to clearly ask for help. In these sentences, I used a verb plus an object, it can be somebody or something, plus to. In the same way, we use many other verbs with the pattern, verb plus object and to infinitive. There are some common verbs: ask, tell, help, advise, force, persuade, remind, beg, intend, enable, invite, warn, get, cause, encourage, teach, allow, order, convince, expect, mean, and others. These verbs are often used when we want someone else to do something. For example, my mom asked me to help in the garden. The doctor advised me to drink more water. I allow myself to eat chocolate every day. If we want to make a negative sentence, we use not between the object and to. For example, she warned him not to be late again. I expected the rain not to be so hard. He encourages students not to give up quickly. I don't like that restaurant. I advise you not to visit that place. I hope this explanation was clear and helpful. If you found this video valuable, please give the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. Thank you for watching and see you next time.